In a world that never sleeps, safety cannot wait. Cities building grow taller, systems grow more complex, and the need for rapid emergency response has never been greater. TNA is a leading global supplier of fire protection products and integrated system solutions. We adhere to the mission of deliver TNA safety products, services to customers worldwide, committed to bringing smarter and more reliable security to the world. Here, you'll find not only cutting-edge fire alarm and firefighting solutions, but also a people-oriented corporate culture and genuine humanistic care. We pursue not only technological excellence, but also a strong focus on corporate culture and humanistic care, safeguarding the safety and trust of every user with responsibility and warmth. Our products are widely used in homes, businesses, and critical institutions worldwide, earning a high degree of trust and acclaim. Wherever you are, TNA is always with you, bringing peace of mind and hope to the world.